dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my wonderful channel. As today giving a back-to-back update and information as they hot. So if today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly proceed to subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. The headlines: my people, the number of the People Democratic Party lawmakers in Edo State House of Assembly has been reduced by one as Ojezele Osuzu Sunday defected to the All Progressive Congress. My people don't set. Moving on after this, we have suspected political talks took over the Oredo local government council secretariat, thereby preventing the council chairman Tom Obaseki from gaining access to his office. My people, this matter tire about, but before I go bring the mentor, I go like welcome all our amazing subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for joining. And those who join us on today wonderful news for the first time, you guys are highly welcome. Kindly proceed to subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. So guys, let's dive into the main gist. The number of the People Democratic Party lawmakers in Edo State House of Assembly has been reduced by one as Ojezele Osuzu Sunday defected to the All Progressive Congress. People, there was a report that Ojezele is representing the East and South East constituency. The lawmaker Ojezele, who was elected on the platform of APC between 2019 and 2023, was among the 10 lawmakers who were inaugurated by the immediate past governor Godwin Obaseki. So he defected to the People Democratic Party alongside with Governor Godwin Obaseki, and he was also re-elected in 2023 general election on the platform of PDP. The two-term lawmakers was received by the acting state chairman of the party, Jared Tinebe, alongside members of the state executive council. So Jose, who described his defection as homecoming, noted that he left PDP because of the irreconcilable crisis rocking the party, both in the state and at the national level. He said I'm making base because the way that they see PDP now, he say he no sure say they go settle their differences. So making Kukuma go back to APC where be say in come from. My people don't be smart though. The defected lawmakers Ojezele, who represent the PDP candidate as Okpebholo in the last September 21st, 2024 government election constituency, so he promised to woo more of his supporters back to the party. He says he don't enter APC, say he go bring many people because a lot of people want come up for PDP, so he go ginger them, say may they enter APC. Receiving the lawmakers back to the party, Jared Tinebe said more members of opposition party will join the party because as they don't see, say one of their lawmakers don't move because of the katakata with the PDP, say all of them go join. 14 members were elected in the 24-member State House of Assembly, 9 APC and 1 Labour Party. While the matter be so, a lot of people don't come out for PDP, they enter APC because they said they're not fit for it. PDP Wahala, my people, don't be smart, you know. My people like me gonna chukuma for this matter, me gonna tell me what to think because the people where they defer to APC, now those people will follow Obaseki defect to PDP. As of that time, we be say instead the APC. So now because of the katakata and wuru with the PDP, and they no know when they want resolve them. Now make the same they kukuma go back to where they come from. Now Ojezele don't say in go ginger more members because in short say a lot of people have it in mind that they are going to go back to APC because of the things that is happening in PDP. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. Suspected political talks took over the Oredo local government council secretariat, thereby preventing the council chairman Tom Obaseki from gaining access to his office. People, those political talks were with dangerous weapon, and the minimizing talks took strategic position at the secretariat, chanting war songs. So the development forced the embattled council boss, who had resumed work for the day, to retreat. Obaseki, who spoke with journalists outside the council premises, said he came to his office to continue his work as elected chairman of Oredo local government. So he met a whole lot of thugs who have already taken over the council. This is very disturbing trend, my people. So now he's calling on the security agencies to arrest the situation. Now what is important is that they have a restraining order. Obaseki had also resumed for the day. He said following Edo State's court ruling on Friday, which nullified his suspension alongside 70 other council chairmen, My people, the 18 council chairmen and their deputies were suspended by the Edo State House of Assembly following a petition by Governor Mondo Okpebholo, during which the letter alleged insubordination and gross misconduct. Meanwhile, in Oriono local government, the council chairman, Mr. Newton Ugegbe, resumed and performed his official duties unhindered. The chief press secretary to the council boss, Mr. Roy Osareme, disclosed this. So Osareme said, although the All Progressive Congress talks tried to disrupt the smooth running of the council, but they were resisted by the good people of Oriono. Apart from the katakata where they happened, the council chairman and the legislative arm worked on Monday unhindered. So this is because they are on the same page in the delivering of good governance to the people. But now, some Obaseki say, as he enter office, one go walk. Hey, say na so talks from nowhere can't invade the secretariat. They didn't allow him to work. Meanwhile, the courts have given them order for them to resume work. But Governor Gordon Obaseki and his cohorts did not allow them to work. Hey, my people be sports though. My protesting started when Governor Mondo Okpebholo issued a 48 hours ultimatum demanding the local government chairman to submit their financial statement directly to him. But the chairman considered the order an overreach into financial autonomy defiled by the Supreme Court. So following their refusal, the governor petitioned the State Assembly to suspend the chairman, citing gross misconduct under Section 10(1) of Edo State Local Government Law. So President Bola Tinubu's government has been championing local government autonomy. So now my people of you they talk say, if Governor Mondo Okpebholo continue like this, that he's setting a dangerous precedent. That when elected officials decide which court order to obey and which to ignore, they edge closer to anarchy. So right now they are appealing to President Bola Tinubu, the Attorney General, the security forces, and even the judiciary to intervene before this crisis get out of control. So the word and actions of Edo officials are already stoking tensions that could, lead to breakdown of law and order in Edo State. That make many people they shocked say, hey, APC governor will be say in be President Bola Tinubu right hand. They cause this kind of kata for Edo State against both the judiciary and the presidency. Say it don't make sense because if it continue like this, it go cause a lot of things for Edo State. We be say they no go fit carry am. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on Reality Latest Gist. To all our amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your next. Bye for now.